Program number 21. A series object trdata. Series object name trdata consists of around 150 rows of data. Write a program to print the following details. Number 1. First 15 rows of data. Second, last 5 rows of data. That one you will display. So in the trdata, 150 rows is available, and this 150 rows you have to display first 15 rows and second last 5 rows. So first 15 for which function will call head function. Last 5 rows for which function will call tail functions. So now come as a first method, import pandas as pd, second numpy as np. Now np dot arrange, because this is the data 150 rows. So through the arrange function, whenever continuous data is there, so in the numpy we can call arrange functions for continuous data 1 to 151. I am taking from 1, so that is a 151 value will take, so then 150 value will accept. If it starts from 0, then 150, 1 to 151. Now tr data, this is the series object name tr data, equal to pd dot series n1. So this arrange functions are now I will convert as a series. Now tr data dot head 15 and tr data dot tail, because in the tail I am not passing any n values. Why? Because last 5, by default it will accept 5 values. More than 5, yeah, any below than 5 if you will display, so that time we will mention the n values. Just like here first 15 rows, so that's why I mentioned 15. If we'll call full series print n1, then what happen? 1 to 150 data will display. So that is why I did not call as a print command tr data. Okay. Now second method, same arrange functions we can call through the range function in the pandas. Pandas range functions we can use it, and numpy arrange function. So import pandas. Now directly you can convert pd dot series range 1 to 151. Just only this one will change, arrange to range. Now tr data dot head, these two lines are same. Print command is same, only to the this one is different. Here range function, here arrange function. Clear? Now we will see through the print command as a display. Run. Okay. See, first 15, 0 to 14 value will come. Look at here, 15 value came from the 1. Now integer 32. Now this is the also last 5 value 1 2 3 4 5, 146 to 150, integer 32. Now look at here, this is has given 1 to 15, integer 64, and 146 to 150, this is integer. Only the floor data type has changed. Why? Because this one we called through the numpy with pandas whenever we'll call, and numeric data is there, so integer 32 will call, and only pandas whenever we'll call, so then integer 64 will come. Otherwise, except data type, your output has same.